Well, this is one spot we walked up to. Looks like it has a beautiful view here. Look at that, right out down here in the valley. You can see, I think visibility today is 150 miles, so it's quite good. Look around here on the sides here, and yeah, you can see it's pretty, not too breezy here. Pretty quiet. We got the other people here and everything here. So there's more trail, but not sure where it goes there. Okay, but very nice view here. Well, we've got another viewpoint up here. As we walk up here, you can see all the mountains up there and everything as we go up this trail here. It's just another spot up here. Same kind of view. I talk about quest for water here. More cactus down there. Nice afternoon, little breeze here. All the mountains on the side. There's the other viewpoint down there where we're just at. Well, the wind picked up all of a sudden here. I don't know where it came out. I don't have my little cushion on here, so you're going to hear wind. But look at this beautiful, fantastic view out here in back of me. Sun's kind of in the wrong spot here, so you see a little bit there. But look at that view out there. We got the wind coming up here, so I got to talk a little bit loud here. But yeah, look at that coming around this side here too. Thanks to all my subscribers up there. I appreciate it. See you later. Bye-bye. We're walking back from the viewpoint. The wind all of a sudden stopped now. It was just like a big gust. We come out there, look up at the mountain up there, right up there. Look at that. That got a blue sky. Got the pine tree here. Everything nice and quiet now. Now when I'm not up there trying to do a video, it's quiet, no wind. I don't know. What can I say here? It's just the way it is here. I'll turn around. So you get me on this side, on the sunny side. So you get that mountain in back of me there. So yeah, but now the wind's picking up. It stops and then goes here. So okay, my friends, keep on subscribing. I need subscribers. Thank you very much too. Bye-bye. Oh, we got Window Rock way out there. I'll have to zoom in on it. But, or it's right over there. I think, yeah, right there. I'll zoom in on it later to get you a better picture of it there. Window Rock looks like a little diamond.